You can calculate the birthday of employees in an Excel worksheet. Use date function. Nest the today function within date function. You will get birthday of employees. First active date cell. Click in formula bar. Type equal sign. Type date function. Open bracket. You can see here formula bar displays the date function with its arguments. Type year argument. Open bracket. Now type today function within date function. Type today. Open bracket, close bracket, again close bracket, type comma. Type month argument. Open bracket, click this cell reference. Close bracket, type comma, type day argument. Open bracket, click this cell, close bracket, again close bracket. How this formula work? Today function will return the current date, then date function will extract the current year from current date, month from this date, and day from this date. Press enter. You have birthday of this employee, April 23, 2019. To determine birthday of other employees, copy and paste the formulas in other cells. Active this cell, double click. You have birthday of other employees in other cells.